When we add a new domain, our scanner finds the scripts which include tracking technologies such as cookies, beacons, or pixels. By using the Script Manager functionality, we can restrict which scripts or cookies we want to run until consent is given. We can do this by enabling or disabling the functionalities here. For example, here, we can stop the Google Ad Services script from running until consent is given. It is important to categorize appropriately. For example, if you mark Google Ad Service as a necessary script, then this will not be blocked regardless of consent. It is also important that the prior consent option in Preferences is on. If it is off, then regardless of the changes you may make, it will not block any scripts. While our scanner finds most scripts, you can always add more manually if required. You can also make changes to the script titles, purposes, or body.